Di ko alam kung bakit. Siguro may sakit rin ako dahil doon. Di ko yata pakaya na trinay ko talaga pero di talaga kaya ng katawan ko at ng puso ko. Achi, come here.
Machi, come here. Machi, la. Machi, come.
Hi guys, I've been sick for the past few days. It started nung and you were taking care of me. It started nung after nung fashion show or before pa the fashion show. Grabe urticaria ko and nawala yung boses ko talaga after the fashion show. And plus namatay pa si Nanay Jobert Sukal dito. Hindi ako nakapunta. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng pumunta, dumalo kay Nanay Jobert. Di ko alam kung bakit. Siguro may sakit rin ako dahil doon. Di ko yata pakaya na trinay ko talaga pero di talaga kaya ng katawan ko at ng puso ko. Pero tomorrow, second day shooting namin ng I Love You X with Mark. And please pray na I would feel better. Ilang beses na akong trinay na ipadrip pero wala talaga mahanap na ugat. Siguro no joke, naka 16 tusok sila sa akin ngayon gabi. And then 2 nights ago, and then another 3 nights ago, pabalik-balik dito ang TBL para ilagyan ako, and sharpshooters na talaga yung mga nag-shoot sa akin, pero wala talaga silang mahanap na ugat. Hindi naman ako dehydrated or anything. Medyo ano lang talaga, medyo na depressed sa pagkawala ni Nanay Jobert and medyo sa weather rin talaga. So I hope tomorrow maging okay ako habang second shooting day ng I Love You X namin ni Mark. And thank you to Achi. Kaya come here. And Mio, show yourself. Come, pakita ko yung cat ko. Hello, yun yung cat namin, oh. Oh, it's your cat.
Our cat's very nice and gentle.
Come here, and gentle. Achi, come say goodnight. Thank you, because they're taking care of me. What medicine did you give mommy? Kiss. Perin. And Ate gave me. Yeah.
Yes.
So, hug.
Mommy, it's ready or morning already.
It's morning already. I have fever ba? Mahati no.
Okay, let me get the
Thermometer. So maybe it's there pa eh.
thermometer.
Just ano lang, touch mommy na lang.
Wait. You stay with me.
Touch mommy na lang.
Oh, and I go on the bed, you go on the bed.
Yeah, because Mimi, oh. It's
Do you
Mimi.
like me?
Did you eat a treat?
Yeah, I gave her. He ate it all. Your tail is so long.
Gusto ko rin magpasalamat pala sa inyong lahat ng mga sumusuporta at nagmamahal. Pasensya na ganito itsura ko sa matla ng pakiramdam ko. At totoo po yung sinabi ko, naging maayos po yung buhay ng mga anak ko dahil po sa inyo na sumusuporta ng lahat ng mga pelikula ko, teleseries ko mula noon hanggang ngayon, lahat ng mga ini-endorse ko. Lagi ko sinasabi sa mga anak ko na kayo ang bumubuhay sa amin. So maraming salamat sa inyo dahil naging komportable at maginhawa at napag-aaral ko sa mabubuting eskwelahan ng mga anak ko dahil sa inyo, sa support at pagmamahal nyo. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Hindi ko kayo isa-isahin. Then maaga po ako, 6 a.m. I have to wake up for yung shooting na I Love You X. So, good night po. And please pray for me that I get well soon. And mahal ko kayong lahat. Baby, say good night na. Say good night.
Good night, everybody. Wish my mommy will be okay.
Aww. Archie, about you. What did you say?
To mommy?
Say to them.
I hope mommy gets well. He lives in a different country. Someone lives in love mom.
What?
I hope mommy gets well. Someone lives in a different country.
Yes. We take care all of you.
Take care of you.
God bless.
God bless.
We love you.
Love you.
Love you all.
Hey, she's
Salamat.
eating my bracelet.
You eating the